Hello friends, we all at times take group photos, and that is when we might need to use a self-timer option in order to avoid leaving anyone behind the camera for taking photos. Self-timer also can be used to avoid camera shake caused by pressing the shutter button. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use self-timer in a Canon camera. It is very simple to use self-timer in any Canon camera. Turn on your camera and then go to the dial button and then drive mode. So here we have different options including single shooting, continuous shooting and self-timer. Last three are the self-timer options. If you select the first self-timer option, that would take single picture within 10 seconds after releasing the shutter button. If we select the second self-timer option, that would take a picture within 2 seconds after releasing the shutter button. This option is better for long exposure photography. The third and continuous option is highly recommended because it allows you 10 seconds to be prepared, and also you can take multiple pictures with one click. Friends, this is how you can use self-timer in your Canon camera. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.